Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some exciting news in relation to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, S23 Plus, and the regular S23. So we have several highly reliable leaks. One of them basically showcases the official marketing materials for the S23 Ultra and the S23 Plus, so we now know exactly what it looks like, which also confirms all the previous leaks. So now we know with 100% certainty that they're all going to look the same as the previous generation. But on top of that, we have some leaks that tell us about the improvements that are going to be built into these phones, which is going to translate to better performance. So let's talk about that right away. Now, first and foremost, if you look at the official materials, in this leak we have the S23 Plus in the purple color. And then we have a green color, a brand new green color for the S23 Ultra, which is a nice and cool color. It is not a bright, obnoxious green. It is a nice and laid back green that looks clean and professional. Other than that, you can see the camera layout, the screen layout, the bezels. It's basically all the same. So that's fantastic. Now we have an additional leak from Ahmed on Twitter, who is a reliable leaker for Samsung products. And we have some really good news. So basically what he's saying is the cooling systems on the S23 Ultra, 23 Plus, and the 23 have been significantly improved. A better cooling system basically makes sure the phone doesn't get too hot and it can retain peak performance for higher with better efficiency. So according to this leak, the S23 Ultra is improved 2.3 times over the S22 Ultra. And if this is true, this is going to translate to some great performance. Now, the S23 Plus and the S23 also are going to see improvements to their heating. S23 Plus is going to be 2.8 times better than the S22 Plus, and the S23 is going to be 1.6 times better than the S23. So we don't know exactly how they're doing this, but this is the information that we have. So again, under heavy and sustained use, the phone is going to perform better because it is going to run cooler. Now we also have another leak from Ahmed, but this leak is specifically for the S23 Plus and the S23, not the Ultra. It appears that the peak brightness of these two phones is going to match the Ultra. So we're going to have 1750 nits of peak brightness on all three variants of the S23. This is all good news because if you're not looking to get the Ultra and you want something a little bit smaller, at least in this category, you're not taking a downgrade. You're still going to get that bright, powerful display. And that's basically what we have for today in relation to the S23 series. Make sure you're subscribed so you can get the latest updates on these phones. They are going to get released sometime in very early February. So it is right around the corner.